Alright, so next combination is Battement Tendu Jeté, which is you brush, same concept what we just learned in the Battement Tendu. The only thing, the leg is going to go up into the air. You use that leg, you use the Battement Tendu Jeté a lot in the assemblées, on the jumps, on the grand battement, so it's very important as much as plié and tendu. But again, everything, like you can see, everything starts from the Battement Tendu to do the Jeté now. Same thing, we're going to go preparation, goes 1, 2, and opens. Now, very important, in Jete, you bring the sharp movement and the counts goes E, 1, 2, 3, close. Okay, so one more time, goes E, 1, 2, 3, close. E, 1, 2, 3, close. Same thing to the side. 1, 2, 3, close. 1, 2, 3, close. Back. 1, 2, back. E, close. E, 1, 2, 3, close. Now, if you mastered the Battement Tendu, it's pretty much same thing. The only thing is in Jete, the leg gets off the floor. And again, very important because the leg has the tendency, a lot of power to throw the leg. Your supporting leg has to be extremely strong. You cannot wobble on that knee. If you wobble, your knees you're gonna have like a pain in your knees, and the knee's gonna kind of get injuries. So it's very important that you stretch your supporting leg. One more time, we're gonna go preparation. E goes 1, and we're gonna unquad, just front, side, back. Head goes Jete, hold, E, close. E, hold, close. E, hold, keep the body on your leg. E, side, and close. So the leg is going to go, same thing, you're going to go through the Battement Tendu, and then you're going to lift up, okay, 45 degrees. Then you're going to go half toe, bringing down, and close into the 5th. Sometimes like you go into the 25, but I actually like recommending going 45 when you start to have an idea to lifting of the leg up into the air. And then when the combination goes faster, you go to the next level, as we're going to go talk about, the leg goes 25 degrees, so you're executing much faster. But here what happens is you fix the pose, where in a, let's say in a balancing training, they will go in. Here in a Vaganova, you fix E1, hold position, and close. E, faster, up, hold position, and close. So she's going to execute it, guys, for you. E goes 1, E, close, E, hold position, E, close. So the same concept of the Battement Tendu, the only thing is like goes sharper, comes up to the 45 degrees, and closes into the 5th. And one more time, E1, E2. Okay, now as you see, she's closing it, it's the same. Like you see, if you're actually executing tendu properly, you're not going to have hard time closing it. So she goes 1, and then she needs to really pull up on that supporting leg. Yeah, so the leg is not here, you're standing on a supporting leg, and as she closes, she pulls up, heel goes down immediately, and closes to the 5th position. So you have to really feel those back muscles rotating when you close. Now we're going to do Jete to the side. E goes 1, E, close. E, 1, E, close. As you can see, same thing what we talked about in Battement Tendu. Leg goes to the side sharp and comes through the 1st position. Now, when you fix it, make sure again you don't keep this 100%. You guys going to have all holding the leg right here when you're going to do Jete. Jete has to be behind your shoulder, yeah? So you have to keep it behind your shoulder. When you do that, it's very important that left side, let's turn you this way, that your left side, the left hip actually stays open, okay? So left side stays open. So we're going to go, so I'm going to switch. So when we go to the Jete E1, opens, this part does not rotate. It stays open as you open the right side. So think of like rotating doors. One side goes to the right, left side goes to the other side. So let's go back into the position. So we have the right leg to the side, okay, behind the shoulder. Left side opens, but the hips have to stay front. Yeah, you don't want to stick out the butt and then keep it here, and you're like, well, but I'm opening, so it's pushing me back. Yeah, you want to stay front, and the chest has to be a little bit forward, solid, and the leg has to be on the side, stretching that feet really, really hard, and close and bump. Now, in terms of Battement Tendu Jeté, you have to understand another thing is, when you do Battement Tendu Jeté, you do not use your thighs, okay? You stretch the foot, you use your flexibility. So the harder you stretch your foot, the more tension is going to go here and here rather than in your thigh. If this part is not stretched, you're going to use your thigh. Okay? So you don't want to go in terms of doing the jeté and then feeling thigh tensing up. Yeah, you want to elongate that jeté. Elongate that jeté, make sure it goes far away from you. But you have to keep that right hip forward. So let's do jeté to the back. E goes back, E close. E back, E close. Now you see how her tendency is to open up this, yeah? You want to keep that right shoulder in front. So when you go jeté, you push that right shoulder a little bit forward. E close, E close, E close. Okay? Close. Now, same thing we're going to do. Jeté is which is you're going to do on plié. So you're going to go plié, jeté front, hold, E close, jeté hold, E close, jeté 1, E close, E side, E close. You see how on a jeté, on the plié, a little bit harder because that leg becomes wobbly. See that legs are really moving, so you have to really feel that you're firmly sitting and you're opening that leg. So let's go jeté one more time. Head, E, 1, E, close, side, close, back, E, close, side, E, close. Okay? We're going to actually execute piqués, which is part of the Battement Tendu Jeté, to tap that floor like you're going to hammer that floor. So let's bring the front leg, okay, a little bit away from the bar. You're going to sharply piqué, E, 1, 2, 3. So think of your leg like a hammer, and then there's a nail right there. I know. So you want to kind of nail that down. So you want to go down, down, down. So you have to nail that nail down with your hammer leg. So goes E, down, down, down. That's right. And close. And then to the side, E goes side, 1, 2, close, back. And to the back, 1, 2, 3, close, 5th position. So this is pretty much jeté with the piqués. And again, like you can see, everything, every part of that is a part of your Battement Tendu. So if you're executing Battement Tendu properly, the jeté should kind of start connecting, and you're able to execute that jeté as well. If you have questions, feel free to hit the comments on the bottom of that video. We'll be happy to answer it.